Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. How you are doing? Welcome back to my channel. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you'll be the first to get it. And this channel is for all-round beauty, makeup, and lifestyle. And I'm doing a red glitter eyes today. It's a get ready with me Valentine's Day makeup glam. I know you have watched me do my makeup a number of times, so I think you're familiar with the process. But I think what is quite different today is that I decided to do a cream contour. Also, remember that blending is key to achieving a flawless makeup, and my natural hair be giving me so much life. I styled it myself, and the lips I'm gonna be doing for this look is gonna be super soft, yes, because I don't want anything dramatic. And what will you be doing today? So just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so just enjoy, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, and that is it for today's video. Valentine's Day. Get ready with me, makeup glam. This is my natural hair, and I just love it. It's so beautiful. And tell me your favorite part of the look. Leave me your comments, and just tell me what you think about this look. And I want to say that if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It is free of charge. Just hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. And share the video as well. And before I go, I just want to say something. It is February 14th. It is Valentine's Day, a day to show love, express love. But I feel that this day should be a constant reminder that we should make coexisting with one another in peace, in unity, in love and harmony, a lifestyle, wherever we may find ourselves, be it in the home, be it in the school, be it in the church, be it in the workplace, in the business place, because if you look at what is happening in the world today, there is so much, wickedness, evil is constantly on the rise, there's so much hate and less of love. And let's just make treating one another right a priority. And I think we should even become more sensitive and show affection to people around us that maybe going through one challenge or a plight or the other. Let's just look for a way to make things better for them, just support them, because Maya Angelou said something. She said we can actually be a rainbow in someone's clouds today. And I feel that in as much as love is meant to be professed, it is also meant to be more expressed. It's an action. Let it be seen in our character, let it be seen in our behavior, let it be seen in how we treat the next person, and let it just be a lifestyle. And let's just keep spreading love and let love win. So let's just interact in the comment section and just tell me what you'll be doing today, what you think about February 14th, and just what message do you have. So just leave it in the comment section. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll go now. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.